Welcome to Car Trend. Today, we bring you the all-new 2026 Ford F100 4X4, a modern revival of one of America's most iconic trucks. It's bold, rugged, and deeply rooted in heritage, yet it steps confidently into the future with advanced technology, a refined driving experience, and serious off-road credentials. The 2026 F100 4X4 isn't just a nostalgic throwback. It's a statement. Ford has stayed true to the original boxy shape that made the classic F100 a favorite for decades, but the details are completely reimagined. You'll notice a wide, upright grille with bold Ford lettering, LED headlights with a vintage twist, and squared-off fenders that give this truck an aggressive stance. Finished in earthy tones, chrome or matte black trims, and fitted with off-road ready 18-inch wheels, it's a visual blend of retro cool and modern toughness. Powering this beast is your choice of a turbocharged 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 pushing out nearly 400 horsepower, or a fully electric version based on Ford's EV truck platform, offering up to 480 horsepower and instant torque. The electric model provides a range of about 300 miles on a full charge, while the gas version brings raw grunt and classic sound. Both versions come with a robust 4x4 drivetrain, locking rear differential, and terrain management modes, making it more than capable in mud, snow, rocks, or sand. Inside, the 2026 F100 is rugged yet refined. It features durable materials built to handle daily abuse, but the comfort is unmistakable. You get heated and ventilated seats, a wide digital instrument cluster, and a large central touchscreen powered by the latest sync system. Wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay come standard, along with voice commands, built-in navigation, and a premium audio system that turns your cabin into a rolling soundstage. Functionality hasn't been forgotten. The rear bed is coated with a tough spray and liner, equipped with power outlets for tools or camping gear, and optional fold-out side steps. Pro Trailer Backup Assist and onboard scales make towing and hauling easier than ever, while an optional power frunk in the electric version gives you even more storage up front. Safety features are cutting edge. With blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a 360-degree camera system, and automatic emergency braking, the F100 4X4 has the brains to back up its brawn. Starting around $47,000, the 2026 Ford F100 4X4 isn't just a return, it's a bold evolution. It honors the past while embracing the future, giving drivers a true do-it-all truck with timeless appeal and modern muscle.